All right, so if you want to live stream with your DJI Osmo Action 5, you simply have to have paired it with the DJI Mimo app on your phone. And with the two paired, just launch the app. It's going to connect to your camera, as you can see. All right, so from the home, just tap on this camera icon, and that's going to bring up the viewfinder from your camera. So you can see when I move the camera, you can see the live viewfinder on my phone. So now what you want to do now is, of course, you have all these options to take slow-mo, time-lapse, all that, and then you have live stream. Now, if you select live stream, you can choose whether you want to live stream on Facebook or YouTube, or get the RTMP, which is real-time messaging protocol, which allows you to stream on other services. So for this example, let's go ahead and try to stream on Facebook. So I'm going to select Facebook and then tap on live streaming, and it's going to prepare the live stream. So as you can see, it's currently preparing. So it's going to say this DJI Mimo app wants to use facebook.com. So you need to give permission for that. So I'm going to open in Facebook. And of course, it's going to require me to log in and give permission. So you can see Facebook and DJI want to connect. So I'll just tap on continue and then tap on save. Now, keep in mind that it might be a slightly different process depending on what platform you want to live stream in. So for me, since it's just Facebook, that's the process. So it says how to connect to network and all whatnot, how to live stream with stable network connection. I'm going to close this instructions. And now I can choose my live stream settings. So I can choose which Wi-Fi network I want to use. I can give my live stream a name. Okay. I can choose who I want to share the live stream with. So for now, let me just select me only. And then the resolution. Now the maximum resolution you can live stream in is 720p, which is HD, but of course you can lower it to about 480p, which will be smoother but with lower resolution. And then you can choose the streaming quality depending, of course, on your internet speed. All these things you can adjust, including the Facebook account, and then tap on start your live stream. So currently the Wi-Fi is disconnected, so I have to go up and select a Wi-Fi. So I'm going to select that one. Well, it's asking for the password, so I'll just give it. So type in the password and let's connect to Wi-Fi. There you go. So we are connected. So now I can tap on live stream. Oh yeah, we need a name. We need to do all this. So I'm going to give it a name, test, and tap on live stream. So we're basically going to live stream directly from the camera. So we are live streaming the camera's feed to our Facebook audience. So let's give it a moment. And currently, as you can see, the live stream is in progress. Okay. And from the camera, you can see that it's live. Okay. So my Facebook people can actually see what this camera is seeing. So that is basically how to live stream with your DJI Osmo Action 5. Now, in this tutorial, I did how to live stream on Facebook, but it's the same procedure for YouTube or whatever other service you might want to use. So when you're done and you want to end your live stream, you can just end it from right here and confirm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.